YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this product. And YouTubers, all you gotta do is click the link down below and see what goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. And they'll ship this to you pretty fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Bada boom. This comes from, I think it's called Ecolor. Bada boom. Portable LED camping lantern. Looks like an egg. Maybe get a couple, do some egg hunts. App control DIY. You can change your own scenes. Music mode. Make a little club outside. There's an app for the Android, iOS. Probably grab my other phone. Oh, dimming 16 million colors. That's a lot of colors. Let's take a look inside. This should be an easy one. Everything works. Okay. Here we go. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and you'll be all good. So here we go, Ecolor. Share the pleasure of smart lighting. Portable LED. Yeah, buddy. Got the USBs. Got this thingy. Hook it up to something. Got the manual. Oh, something different. Super lightweight. Has a nice feel to it. And this is where we plug it in. Come on. Right there. This is where we turn it on. Maybe it needs to be charged. Yeah, it totally needs to be charged. Okay, guys, we'll be back in a few. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it going. Easy to hook up. Really cool. This thing will be great for if you're out camping in the beach, in case you get lost or something happens. This thing is super bright and really noticeable in case something does happen. People will know. Alright, so there's an app to it. Just go to your Android store or iOS store. Type in Ecolor. Life it's called. I already got it installed on my Galaxy, so that's why it's going this color. And I'm using my power bank to charge it, so you could use it that way too if you're out in the beach and need a USB. So really cool so far. And then now I'll show you guys the Ecolor. They got a lot of cool stuff. RGB lighting, moon lamps. While using allow. It's going to take a second, and it's going to pop up. Let me give it a sec. I got to turn the Bluetooth on. Okay, Bluetooth on. Add a device. There it is. And you can name it whatever you want to call it. So it'll go like that, and just change it to like, to me it looks like an egg or a mini Nerf football. So we'll just call it egg lamp. Finished. Bada boom. And then, like I said, they got a lot of scenes you could change it to. Right now, this one's on gunball. You could do it adjusting on top here. Make it, this is all the way up to the max. Even with the light on, it's still bright. There's 44%. So really cool if you need extra lighting around. Also, Meteor. Maybe for your streaming channel or Twitch or whatever, YouTube or social media platforms you guys use. Pretty cool in the background I have. So we did that one. And then this is Colorful Life, which it is. Dream, you could fall asleep to it. Be cool to have it in your kids' room. Maybe if you get a couple of these, do like an Easter egg hunt type deal. And this is the Starries. Everybody loves those Starry. So that's cool. And like I said, you could do it yourself up top right there. Timer, all that good stuff. It's a rainbow. That's pretty cool. Great for your gaming room, your child's room. There's a bonfire. Birthday parties would be good for. There's a lot of choices to select from. Blue Ocean, that's really cool. But it is super bright. Like I said, I've got the power bank charging it right now. So I think it should be good. Yeah. Super portable, super bright. Stick it in the sand like that, it'll be good to go. Or camping, whatever you guys do. Mosquito repellent. Whoa. That's pretty cool. SOS in case something happens. And get the mood for dating. This is called Sweet Home. It's pretty cool. An extra light to read. Automatic. And then now we got the do-it-yourselfers. Meteor. Whoa, that's bright. And then Amazon Orange we got there. Or you could just do it manually. So, that is cool. On the green. And then you can switch it to scenes. And in music mode, it'll just interact with the vibrations and the sound. You have it bubble. Whoa. So that's pretty cool. Melody. La 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 la. See? The high pitched noise. La 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 la. There we go. This is what? Flower? Alright, alright. We got the rhythm. Oh. Hey. That works. Alright, color, scenes, we already showed those. So definitely check it out. The egg lamp or the Ecolor. Right there. Right here. Pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good day. Be safe. And see you guys soon.